Hey everybody, wanted to make this video to teach you how to make your own volleyball at home in case you don't have an actual volleyball. You're going to need really limited supplies, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can make a volleyball at home. Let's get started. So for the first volleyball that we're going to make, you're going to need a bunch of newspaper, packing tape, and then the white ribbon there, and a Sharpie. The white ribbon and the Sharpie are just for decorations. Really all you need is a bunch of newspaper and the packing tape. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is take a piece of newspaper and crumple it into a ball. And then we'll keep adding newspaper and make our ball a lot bigger. So now that I have the volleyball the size that I want it to be, which I think is pretty close to an actual size volleyball, I'm going to put a little bit of tape on it to keep it in this shape. And then the next step is to add the white ribbon. You can totally skip that step if you want, and you can just wrap it all in tape right now. But I'm going to try to make mine look a little bit more like an actual volleyball. Alright, so I've put a little bit of tape on here just to kind of keep it in place. Now my next step is to go over the ball with the white streamer, just because most volleyballs are white, so I want my homemade volleyball to be white too. So that's my next step, is to add the streamer. So now I've got my ball all wrapped in the white streamer. My next step is to go around the ball using the packing tape. Here we go. So that is how you make your own volleyball at home. Keep watching if you want to learn how to make your own balloon volleyball at home. So my last step was to write Wilson on it, just because that's a really popular volleyball brand. So anyways, you can make your volleyball however you want to make it. Always check with your parents to make sure that it's okay that you're using the supplies, because it does require a lot of newspaper and tape. So always check with your parents before you go ahead and make it. All right, now we're going to learn how to make a balloon volleyball at home. I'm just using a regular balloon and some more of that packing tape. I'm also going to use a different colored tape because volleyballs have lines on them, and I'm going to add the lines to my balloon volleyball. The reason why I'm adding tape to the balloon, which you could just use a regular balloon without any tape, that'd be fine. The tape's going to make it a little heavier, so it's not going to float in the air as long. So that's all we need for this one. Alright, so now I've got my balloon all blown up, and I cut the little tip off just because we don't need that extra piece there. Just make sure you don't cut it so close that the knot's going to come undone. Now my next step is to wrap the balloon in that packing tape. Here we go. So now I've got my balloon all covered in tape. My last step is to use a different color tape and put some lines on the balloon. Alright, so I have my balloon volleyball here. I have a regular balloon here. You can see that my balloon volleyball got a little misshaped. I probably need to put a little more air in my balloon, but it'll work just fine. It bounces really well. And I just want to show you a little comparison on how quick they fall compared to each other. So you can see the actual balloon without tape floats a lot longer. So it's a good thing to use if you're just learning volleyball. Maybe you just want to use a regular balloon, but if you want a little more of a challenge and you have tape and balloon at home, certainly this is a good option too. So I hope you learned something. I hope you get a chance to play some volleyball with either a real volleyball or a balloon or a tape balloon or your paper volleyball. So have fun and good luck with volleyball.